Okay, hello there viewers. It's been quite a while. I haven't been updating much because I've been trying to create an app for you. So this is my first app, so please don't be too harsh on it. Just 3 or 4 or 5 stars, okay? So once you press the start, you'll be greeted by integration questions where there are 14 sets, which I think is very, very crucial. Okay, even when I was a student, I keep on doing that. Even my ex-student keep on doing this. So it's an objective set of games with a timer. If you answer it correctly, then a GIF will appear. It's either Mikasa or Levi come and kill the Titan. Okay, all right. So like this one, or this one then says Levi. Okay. So if you answer it wrongly, then a Titan will come and aid you. Okay, the animations will be there from season 1 until season 4 until they fight with the Warhammer Titan. Right, so not too much spoilers until the latest episode. Alright, so once you manage to answer it correctly, then a splash screen will appear under Mikasa or Levi and a solution for you to understand them, how to solve it correctly. Okay, I believe this sets of questions is very crucial and will be very helpful for your studies and revision. Right, so all the best, have fun, play the game, and yes, don't die. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.